His eyes are as cold as ever, like he never left the Anpu.
He failed every one of them again, just like last time.
That's not what really concerns me, though.
That's right. That's not such a big deal, but the darkness inside Kakashi's heart is a real problem.
Yeah, he's still carrying it around. I mean, they were my classmates as well, and I grieved them. But still, at some point, you've got to move on.
Yeah, I know.
Lord Third, the Anpu simply isn't for someone like Kakashi.
I realize that it might not be my place to say this, Lord Third, but it must be said. We've lost too many of our friends already. Watching Kakashi, it's as though he's in a hurry to die.
Feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know.